Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. I've changed my mind. I'm gonna try to fix these two. Let me zoom you in instead of me coming to you. I'm gonna try to fix these two wax seals. I mean, they're okay. They don't bother me too bad, but I think I can fix them with minimal damage to the tall envelopes. I'm still not feeling well. My throat is still scratchy, and the more I talk, it seems the worse it is. So I'm trying not to talk when I don't have to. But anywho's, so really quickly, this is the Antique Shop Scrapbook album that we are currently working on, and I'll have the playlist for this album up here in the cards and down below in the description box. And we did this in the previous video, and I'm going to try to fix it and see if I can make it better. I didn't have enough wax, and the wax, well, I mean, you can see. You can see. It looks funny. I'm going to see if I can fix it. I think I can. But anyway, so I thought I would give it a try, and let's see what we can do. I have some thoughts. So the first thing I want to do is, I'm going to try this one first, because it doesn't even have a full, let me scoot in. Doesn't even have the full, oh wow, you're way far away. Let me try to scoot you closer. It doesn't even have the full image. So I'm gonna try to scrape it off. And I'm gonna pull my candle over closer because I might have to heat up my little, what is this? This is just a palette knife. It's just a flat palette knife that I use. And I think I can get it off. So I'm just, oh, dang. I wasn't expecting that to come up so easy right there. Okay, so I'm just going to try to scrape it off. Oh, that's right. There's, I put a glue dot under there to hold the key in place. Aha! Look at there. Okay. Now let's see if I can get this key off. Wonderful. Alright, so let me see what happens. So that worked, right? So let me see what happens if I melt it back. I'm gonna add one, I think, to it. One wax seal bead to it and see. Because it might not, because of it has a little bit of paper and a little bit of glue, it may not. It may not melt correctly. It did pull up the paper a little bit, but we're getting ready to put this right back over top, so it shouldn't be a big deal. So, I'll try this again. Okay, I'm gonna give it a whirl. What do you think? Do you think it worked? Okay, let's see. Oh! Look at there. I still didn't get it on there straight though, did I? So should I fix the other one? I think so. I think so. Okay, I'm gonna fix the other one. I think that was an easy enough fix, and I think that hopefully this one will come off just as easy. Uh-oh, I'm pulling up the paper a little bit on this one. That's okay, I can glue it back down. Just gotta be careful. I think you can heat up the thing too, and it might help a little bit as well. this one's gonna be as clean. I also don't know why I'm whispering. The glue dot in there is what's causing the problem, I think. Oh, wow, that one came a little bit messier. Whoops. Let me glue some of that back down. Well, maybe I'll get new wax for this one because it's a little bit messier than the other one. Okay. But I'm going to go ahead and get it off of here. So I guess I can just... Oh, that's too bad. But it is what it is. It's okay. Alright, so let me get 4. I'm going to do 4 this time because I think that works better than 3. And let's get those melted and we'll fix this one. All right, I think it's melted enough. I'm going to try again. I'm holding my breath. What if it didn't do it again? Ah! Well, heck. See, that's really more my fault, but the last one was my fault too. But this is okay. This is okay. But at least we know we can fix them. At least we know we can scrape them off and do it again. The first one turned out a lot better, but yeah, it's better than the first 2 that we did. Okay. All right, you guys, that is all I wanted to do is show you how you can fix, or how I thought you could fix a broken or messed up wax seal. So now you know if you give this a try and you mess one up that you can fix it with minimal damage, and it's pretty easy. So let me know your thoughts. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this little tip, and thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.